Good afternoon there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to United States Severe Weather Forecasting. This is your host, Chance McNamara. So, for the next 3 days, we have absolutely no severe weather expected on the map here. This is day 1 on what we're going to see for the rest of today. We do have a general thunderstorm risk that's just beginning, as we do have another low pressure system out to the west here, which is the reason why that we're going to see the general thunderstorm risk begin to push on in, especially off to the east. We also have another general thunderstorm risk here just in the southeast region of the U.S. So for tomorrow, we do have a little bit more of a general thunderstorm risk. At the same time, we will also have a winter weather event as well for those that are in Washington and Oregon area. For day 3, general thunderstorm risk does tend to occur in Florida, as we do have that, especially for the Miami and the Keys. So let's talk about this Arctic blast that's coming in for Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday. That cold air will sweep through the Great Lakes and into the Northeast by Friday, as we all are already seeing it on radar, where highs may hold the 20s and 30s in some areas. Behind the Arctic front, areas of heavy lake effect snow are expected for a time in northern Great Lakes, with a bursts of snow associated with the Arctic front itself from the eastern Great Lakes into northern New England. Northwest Indiana and parts of northeast Illinois will be in on that lake effect snow. So let's talk about your regional weather here, as we do got a few things to talk about for those that are in the Midwest and Great Lakes. An early taste of winter this afternoon through Friday. As you can see right here, there is a really good cold sector right here in our Midwest Great Lakes region, and it's going to get pretty frigid. For tonight, low is going to be 20 to 30 degrees and falling to mid-teens to mid-20s. And then for Friday, AM lows will be 8 degrees to 22 degrees with wind chills -5 to 15 degrees temperatures. Highs is 31 to 35 degrees with lake effect. And here is the area of the greatest concern for the up to 1 inch accumulation out of that lake effect snow. So, wintry weather for the afternoon. Look at this. We're already seeing quite a few heavy bands of snow from time to time, especially for those that are in the Michigan area, towards the Gaylord area. Here's that cold front that's going to continue to push on throughout the rest of the afternoon and evening, and this is expected to head to Detroit in the overnight hours. So, here's the upper Michigan area. Look at this. Look at how much snow already has been forecast. Look at this. Munising is up to 8+ inches of snow. This is an additional 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time today through 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Friday. So look at this here. We're going to get an additional 8 inches of snow accumulation. So very windy, 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts near the Lake Superior, gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour inland. This is going to be more of a blizzard-like conditions. Friday, lake effect snow continues through the AM on to the east. Lake effect snow continues today across north central Wisconsin, some blowing drift as well. As you can see up here in the northern peninsula, here's Tomahawk, Wisconsin, and Rylander that is expecting only 1 inch of snow or less for you guys, which is good news because actually this week was the start of Winter Weather Preparedness Week as well. So, again, drive safely as we do have winter weather. Freezing rain possible Thursday morning. Impacts quick changing road conditions. Look at this. You can see the picture here on what the freezing rain can do. Look at this. Here is the confidence in the low and high. Right now, here's the traffic. And, whoops, let's go back to that here for a minute. Look at this. In the orange, we do have moderate traffic conditions. In the red zone here, we do have more of the high to heavy traffic conditions right here in the Idaho area. So we do need to drive cautiously as freezing rain is possible through the rest of the morning. And winter weather advisory remains in effect when today through noon east and through 4 p.m. west. Here we go, the freezing rain and snow here. And we do got more of the rain and more of the snow, more north, more of the freezing rain in the blue, and in the yellow will be more of the rain event. So, remember that low pressure system I was talking about earlier? Well, there's that low pressure system that I was talking about earlier. And look at, we've got another low pressure system that's going to be moving on in. And this is expecting to move on into the north and east. So we do have a lot of stuff to get through the next couple of weeks. With that being said, have a great and wonderful rest of your day. Be safe. And remember, when winter storms and lake effect snows attempts to occur, please drive cautiously, especially the freezing rain event.